What is going on, guys? How's everybody doing out there on Winning Wednesday? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, we're back because I need to do an update for you guys. Breaking news for the Smart Desktop AI. All right, so I want to come to you guys with this. This email was sent out yesterday, but I kind of wanted to let it sit for a minute to see if there were any more new updates that were going to come about before I came out. So anyway, I want to bring this to you. Okay, the AI marketing agent. Hold on one second here. All right, there we go. I had to get this screen together. All right, you know this tool that I've been talking about. This is going to be groundbreaking, this lead generation tool, right? The Smart Desktop AI. Guess what, guys? It is now free. That's right. It was first being offered for a measly $20, right? Now it's for the free $99. An email came out about this yesterday. I'm going to read it to you guys. But this is an outbound AI email system that automatically contacts and follows up with 50 new leads per day to promote anything you want. Okay, so attention, my network marketers, my affiliate marketers, my digital marketers. Guys, this is going to help with your business, right? I'm all about tools helping you with whatever business, whether you've joined me or not, whatever business you have that you're trying to promote, right? This is a tool that's going to help you do it. Now, it is new, okay? So they're going through a few growing pains, hiccups, all that. That's a part of anything that is new when it's first launched or developed, all right? So bear with them on all of that. All right, so let's talk about this real quick. Let's look at this email. I want to read this to you. Okay, it's mind-blowing though. Check it out. Hang in there with me. If you haven't checked this out, go ahead and get it. It's free now. Get your free account, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Everything has been updated to saying free. It's no longer $20. It is free. Okay. So let's look at this email so you can see the update. All right, check it out. All right, for everybody that joined, go to your email. There is an email, and if it's not in the email, it's in your email in the Telegram group. Okay, you want to make sure you join the Telegram group. They send out an email with a link in there for you to get in the Telegram group. So let's go over this. See, it's dated yesterday, 29th. We're excited to see the affiliates' growth as we end the first full month of our affiliate program. Congratulations to many of you on the growth of your affiliate teams. Teams blazing trails in the world of AI is extremely exciting as the industry offers unlimited potential and possibilities. We have said from day one that our desire is to provide AI services for the individual business owner and the small to mid-sized business marketplace, starting with our email client. Also, to provide a growing suite of services that can create additional revenue and deliver increased efficiencies in business functions through implementing AI into your business models. We know many of you have questions and would like to provide current updates as well as an announcement we feel you will like. Okay, major announcement: Smart Desktop AI is now free. Now free. Let's shout out to them on that. Oh yes, it's free. But check this out. Follow me. The decision has been made to take the enrollment for new affiliates to free. Officially as of today, which is yesterday, on Monday, the 29th, new affiliates will no longer be charged the $20 to become an affiliate and have the Smart Desktop AI. Following many successful models in the past to expedite the growth of large user base, the decision was made to follow this strategy. As future fee-based AI services are rolled out, this will provide for much more rapid user adoption and revenue growth for the company. The affiliate compensation plan stays the same. Did you hear that? For the people in the back. The affiliate compensation stays the same. So even though they've changed it from 20 to free, when folks sign up with you, you're still going to earn the $60. Hello, somebody. Okay. Number 2, all affiliates who paid the $20 will see a credit and then have it paid with the first commission payout in August. All right, so payouts, I'm going to get to that in a second. All right, guys. So if you paid for the 20, right? Because remember, it used to be $187 a month. Then it went to 20 one time. So everybody that's paid the 20, you're going to get that credit back in your back office. You will see it again. They haven't updated everything yet. I know you've seen some people showing their back office. Everybody's hadn't been updated yet. So just hang in there. But what they're going to do is put that $20, it seems like, on your dashboard. And when they pay out next week, you'll get credited for it. All right. So this will be the first commission payout in August. So next week we're supposed to get paid. Let me continue. You'll see where I'm going with it. Next, number 3, genealogy. We are reconciling the data with a goal of providing live data by the end of the day, Wednesday, USA time. So tomorrow, okay, they're working on all the data and getting everything together. You will notice a survey appear on your dashboard to provide us with detail on your affiliates should you feel there are affiliates that weren't connected. So if once everything comes together and they make the updates in the dashboard correctly, that's the goal. If you notice, oh, I'm missing an affiliate that wasn't there, they're saying let them know. There's going to be a survey. Okay. Number 4, commissions in the dashboard. As the genealogy starts to populate, the commissions for the month of July was simultaneously populate as well. All right. July commissions will be paid in August. All right. We're going to get to that as well. All right. So everything that's done this month, they're going to be paying it out next month and actually next week. Okay. Number 5, invalid link code. We are aware that a very few small group of people are receiving this link. Our development team is on this and feel it should be rectified by late afternoon Tuesday, which is today. Number 6, August commission payout. We are on track to have our first full month commission payout on August 10th. Okay. International payouts will be in USDT. There will be a link in your dashboard where you will be able to add your wallet address to be able to receive commissions. You see that? USDT. See how crypto is everywhere. This is what I'm telling you guys. Crypto, crypto, crypto. You got to get into it. So they're going to pay out all the international folks in USDT. There will be a link there for you to add your wallet address. For all the USA affiliates, you will also be provided a link in your dashboard to provide your banking information to receive commissions in ACH. Okay, from Chase. All right, so that's the 10th. Okay, guys. So, awesome. Number 7, release of version 1 of the Smart Desktop AI email client. Our first version is anticipated to be released the first week of August. There will also be video training on how to set up and initiate your first campaign to start the 50 emails a day being sent out for you. That's exciting. There are the main points as we are moving fast to releasing our first version of the Smart Desktop AI email client for you to be able to implement your campaign of choice. That's great. I'm looking forward to being able to put whatever link I want to promote about whatever business opportunity that I have to promote. All right. We want you to know we appreciate each and every one of you, your patience and excitement to be a part of the team in bringing our first and many AI products to market. All right. So that is the update, guys. It is now free. So you still want to sign up, go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Now you definitely have no excuses. It's a double no-brainer. At first it was a no-brainer for $20. Okay, now it's a double no-brainer. You're getting a free AI email marketing system for the free $99, and they're still going to pay us $60 for everybody that signs up. Now, of course, you know this is not going to last forever. $60 on everybody that's setting up a free account. So what does that mean? You need to take action, okay? Because who knows how long this is going to last, right? So jump on this right away. Again, they're going to be refunding or crediting, if you will, everybody that spent the $20. It'll be added in with the commission payouts on the 10th. All right. Make sure you're checking your email, guys. Every day, check your spam. And make sure you get in the Telegram group. This is where they're posting things. And if you want to take it further, which is what I've done, is I've joined the school community here for $2. Because guess what? There's going to be a Zoom tonight. I will be on that Zoom tonight at 9 o'clock. Okay. So this community I'm a part of. Okay. So that I can get even more information. Some information they're not sharing in the Telegram group. And it's over here. All right. But everybody that signs up with me, again, if you want this page, I've updated my page, of course. Here it is. And of course, it wouldn't have my picture on it. You can take that picture out, put your picture on it, or no picture at all if you want this page. All right. As you can see here, I've updated it. Create your free account. All right. So you'd have to reach out to me to let me know. All right. Everywhere I've replaced that 20. Oh, let me take it out right here. I missed that one. I'll correct that. But all the buttons, okay, when you create your account, is removed. Okay. Let's take this out. So when you click here, guys, click here, create your free account. Make sure you put the correct information. This is your business. All right. First name, last name, email to get your free account. All right. Because you're going to get emails from the company. You're going to be getting your commission. You don't want some fake crap in here. This is the real deal. I'm only want to deal with business-minded people. Forget the fake crap. This is an account you're trying to set up so that it can help you. The AI is going to help you promote your business. So make sure you put this information in here accurately. Okay? So everything has been updated. I'm going to change this out. I didn't see that. We'll get that corrected. But it's free. Okay? So I want to make sure to bring that to you. Now, this has not been updated. That's what I'm saying. Some people, their back office has been. Look, it logged me out. Hang on a second. Okay. And as the email stated, between now and Wednesday. All right. And then I'm going to be on this Zoom tonight to see what other questions, because it's more of a question and answer and some clarification on some things. To confirm if there's anything different than what I've said or anything new you need to know. I'll be back to let you know that as well. But this is the dashboard. As you can see, again, it hasn't been accurately updated yet. Per the email, the genealogy and everything, the commissions, all of that, they're looking to get all that done sometime by tomorrow. All right. But here's your new link. Okay. Remember that Stripe link is no longer. I see where people have, I've been looking in different places where I post ads. And I still see people that have that Stripe link. And when you click it, guess what? It doesn't work. So guys, make sure you are engaged and you are checking your emails and you are in the Telegram group. That Stripe link is no longer. All right. So here's the dashboard. This is how it looks. Have your name here and all that great stuff. All right. So now what was interesting is I received an email from Smart Desktop AI also on yesterday. We will see how accurately this is, okay, when this dashboard computes everything, because it says here I have 26 signups. That would be wonderful if this is accurate and it's correct. That's amazing, because that would mean that I would have 26 times 60, right? So these are the emails that I received on new notifications and new signups. And when you click it as well, hang on a second here. All right, when you click it, I just want to check it. See, on Monday, I received all these notifications. All right, and it was 26 of those saying you've received 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 26 times. So you do the math, all right? So at any rate, guys, just want to let you know about the update. Go ahead, get your free account today. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Come down here, click Join Now. It's free. When you click that, it's going to take you to my page here. And then you click Create Your Free Account, and it's going to take you here. All right, enter your correct info. Now, again, I'm going to be on the Zoom tonight, seeing if there's any additional information, but I really believe it's more of a Q&A, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go back over here. Yeah, affiliate only Q&A. It's not a presentation. See, Q&A Zoom. All right. But if I find out any new info, I will definitely come back and let you guys know either tonight or in the morning. Otherwise, continue as usual, but just change whatever marketing you have out there. Remove that $20 because it's no longer 20. It's for the free 99. All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right? Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.